Something dies or comes to life when water shines in yellow light. When something moves inside a tree, I wish you saw things just like me. When I walk around, lost and found, and I feel my feet as they touch the ground, and I'm happy just to be right there. I wish that I could somehow share the thing my stomach does when I think of us. What if we had 1 second to be just like the other? What would we say? What if you knew exactly what you are to me? Would you be terribly surprised to see who I am in my actual size? A second is short, but more than enough. You would feel loved. You would feel loved. What you hear when music sings, what makes you sad, what sadness brings. Do you feel empty when you cry? If I could only find out why you fear the things you fear, I'd make it disappear. What if we had 1 second to be just like the other? What would we say? What if you knew exactly what you are to me? Would you be terribly surprised to see who I am in my actual size? A second is short, but more than enough. You would feel loved. You would feel loved. What if we had 1 second to be just like the other? What would we see? What if you knew exactly what you are to me? Would you be terribly surprised to see who I am in my actual size? A second is short, but more than enough. You would feel loved. You would feel loved. close when you didn't think I was a very good friend. Sister, you must think I'm out of my mind. It's a struggle sometimes to pretend that I know what I'm doing. I know who I am, I know how it works, and I see where it ends. Sister, I need you more now than I ever did. I've been thinking again, I've been thinking again. Life can be tricky and sneak up on you like a tiger looking for prey. And we've had our share of surprises, there must be a good one coming our way. 'Cause we're really all looking, we're really all lost. The less we expect, the smaller the cost. Sister, I miss you more now than I ever did. I've been thinking again, I've been thinking again. Things that aren't funny are funny with you, so I'm better when you are around. I might say I don't need any advice, but I'll wear the clothes that I found in the back of your closet, wherever you hide secrets that nobody ever will find. Sister, I love you more now than I